In order to start our unit, the door must be closed and it must be turned off in stop mode. Provided the chamber temperature is optimal, less than 65 degrees centigrade, the screen will ask us to press Start Stop. If the unit detects a temperature in the chamber higher than 65 degrees centigrade, the screen will display High Temp, Open Door, and we must open the door so that the cool-down process can start and thus rapidly cool down the chamber. When the sensor detects an optimal temperature, it will ask us to close the door, and the screen will display Push Start. When pressed, the washing process will start automatically. The process starts with a softening phase, during which we can read Washing on the screen. During this phase, the oven will operate in steam mode. If you wish, you can skip this phase by pressing the automatic wash icon. If not, after 10 minutes, the oven will emit an acoustic signal and the machine will request soap by displaying Add Soap. Open the door and spray the inside of the chamber with a degreasing product. It is essential to cover the entire inside of the chamber. Then, close the door, and by simply pressing Start Stop, the automatic wash phase will start. During the automatic wash process, you will not be required to intervene. For 4 minutes, the degreasing agent will operate while the screen displays washing. In order to guarantee optimal results, rinsing sequences are combined with the steam operation of the unit. Once the rinsing process is over, the screen will display Drying, and the oven will start to operate in convection mode until it reaches 160 degrees centigrade, a temperature that guarantees the drying of the unit. You can skip this phase by pressing the Start Stop icon. The oven will emit an acoustic signal to indicate that the automatic wash process is finished, and the screen will display End. Remember that the entire process can be carried out in any of the 25 languages of the Fagor advanced ovens.